How to change theme on Shopify Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Navigate to your Shopify admin. After that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. From Sales Channels, click on the Store. Then click on Themes from the list that just appeared. You'll be sent to the Themes section, from which you can scroll down to the Current Theme section to customize your current theme. Or you can scroll down the Theme Library section, in which you will find some options to change your theme. Firstly, you can replace the current theme with an added theme by clicking on the Add Theme dropdown and then selecting the option that suits you the best, such as uploading zip file. You can also choose from a free Shopify theme as a replacement for the current one. Also, you can replace your theme with a paid one if you want by visiting the theme store. Once you find a theme that you like the most, go ahead and add it to the theme library. From there, click on the Action drop-down and select Publish to set it as the new theme. And that's it. That's how to change theme on Shopify Store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.